Hello, I am Falguni Deshmukh. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Information Technology in the year of 2025. I am really very happy to share with you that I got selected in Inputiv LLP at the package of 2 LPA at the job role of Technical Support Engineer at Nagpur. And thank you so much, Evision, for providing such a consistent guidance and the prominent help to each and every concept. After graduation, I was searching for a job and I got to know about the Evision through one of my friend. After enrolling the Evision, each and every concept was teach practically and conceptually. For this consistent guidance and the learning from Evision, I uh, I have really very happy that I have joined the Evision. Thank you so much for your consistent guidance. Thank you.